हरिः ओम्। गीताभ्यासे 2-14 मात्रास्पर्शास्तु प्लस 2-15 यम हिन व्यथयन्त्येते by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदा आगमापायिनो नित्यास्तांस्तितिक्षस्व भारत यं हि न व्यथयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःख सुखं धीरं सोमृतत्वाय कल्पते। पदच्छेदाः। मात्रा स्पर्शाः तु कौन्तेय शीत उष्ण सुख दुःख दाः आगम अपायिनः अनित्याः तान् तितिक्षस्व भारत यं हि न व्यथयन्ति एते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःख सुखं धीरं सः अमृतत्वाय कल्पते। Above पदच्छेदाः will be handy to study वाक्यपदीयाभ्यासाः शब्दाभ्यासाः अन्वयार्थाः together. कौन्तेय, you son of Kunti, मात्रास्पर्शाः तु afflictions by senses, शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदाः, cause heat or cold, cause pleasure or sorrow. आगमापायिनः, the afflictions will come and go, may cause harm also. अनित्याः भवन्ति, they are temporary. मात्रा स्पर्शाः, मात्राणां स्पर्शाः इति मात्रा स्पर्शाः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. Afflictions by senses. मात्राः is a technical term referring to तन्मात्राः of पंचमहाभूतानि. शब्दः sound, खे in sky, गन्धः smell पृथिव्यां of earth, रूपं vision by तेजः light, रसः taste in आपः, स्पर्शः touch by वायुः wind. स्पर्शाः or senses or experiences caused by tanmatraः. The experiences are शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदाः, giving sensations of शीत cold or उष्ण heat, or are सुखद pleasant or दुःखद unpleasant. आगमाः अपायिनः च इति आगमापायिनः. आगमाः coming in, अपायिनः पुल्लिंग प्रथम बहुवचन of अपायिन, that is apa plus ayah apayah, going away or causing ill effect. apayah asya asti iti apayin, tasya पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचन apayinah. आगमापायिनः, they come in, also go away, may also cause ill effect, having come in. Anityaha, no nityaha, not permanent, temporary, fleeting. Bharata, you descendant of Bharata, tan titikshasva, do not pay heed to them. Titikshasva, tij, prathamaganiyaha atmanepadi, to pardon, not to pay heed to. तितिक्षस्व is लोट लकारः मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनम of सन्नंत इच्छार्थक of tij. It is mentioned in Sanskrit grammar that dhatuh tij will have tigantani only in sannanta इच्छार्थक. पुरुषर्षभ, you who is prominent among men. Yam purusham, to such person who is samadukha sukham, equanimous between happiness or sorrow, dhiram, who is of stable intellect, ete matrasparshaha na, to whom No afflictions hi vyathayanti, affect. Vyathayanti, vyat, दशमगणीयः उभयपदी, टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट. अत्र परस्मैपदं लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं, लट् लकारः वर्तमानकालः प्रेजेंट टेंस. समदुःख सुखम, समे दुःखम च सुखम च यस्मै सः समदुःख सुखः बहुव्रीहि तम समदुःख सुखम. ही हु इज इक्वानिमस टुवर्ड्स हैप्पीनेस और सॉरो. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. सः अमृतत्वाय कल्पते, ही मेरिट्स इमॉर्टैलिटी. अमृतत्वाय नपुंसकलिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम ऑफ अमृतत्वम, इमॉर्टैलिटी. कल्पते क्लृप प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी, टू मेरिट. छंदो विश्लेषणम, मेट्रिकल एनालिसिस. देर आर अष्टाक्षराणि इन ईच क्वार्टर. मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय, स्तु कौन्ते एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदाः, ख दुःख एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. आगमापायिनो नित्यास्, यिनो नित्या, बिकॉज ऑफ त्या नी गेट्स टू मात्रास. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. तान् स्थितिक्षस्व भारत, स्वभार एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छंदोत्र. Then metrical analysis of the second 2-15. There are ashtaksharaणि in each quarter. यम हिन व्यथयन्त्येते, थयन्त्ये एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ, ऋषर्ष एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. समदुःख सुखम धीरम, सुखम धी एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. सोमृतत्वाय कल्पते, यकल्प एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अगेन अनुष्टुप् छंदोत्र. स्वाध्यायः, नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. द वर्ड मात्रा स्पर्शः appears to be very well composed. Sparshah is a tanmatra of Vayuhu. However, in me every tanmatra afflicts by sparshah only. Vision happens only when the rays of light have sparshah in the eye. Sparshah has affliction inherent. The affliction generates responses in the mind. That engagement of the mind is called as Maya. The engagement of the mind causes undulations and disturbs the steadiness. A steadfast mind will have immunity against heat or cold, happiness or sorrow, even being alive or dead. A steadfast mind is free from the fear of death. That is immortality. What will death do to one who has no fear of death? That really is Amrutattvam, immortality, I think. There are three adjectives of Matra Sparsha: Shitosha Sukha Dukkadaha, Agamapayinaha, and Anityaha. Each of these words is capable of provoking long and deep deliberation. Shitosha Sukha Dukkadaha are effects of Matra Sparsha. While wondering about choice of the words Shita, Ushna, Sukha, Dukkha to summarize the effects of Matra Sparsha, it seems Shita or Ushna cover the physical effects and Sukha Dukkha summarize the psychological effects. Isn't that so crisp and yet analytically perfect? Thinking of Agamapayinaha and Anityaha, if Agamapayinaha means to come and go away, it means Anityaha, temporary, come and go away, not staying. It seems Anityaha also means that there is no fixed frequency for their coming and going, nor any definition of their duration of stay. And hence, Anityaha has an additional different sense of meaning, different than Agamapayina. So no word in Gita is superfluous. We should attend to the inherent meaning, why the particular word is used in addition to another word which seems to be synonymous. Now, this COVID-19 is here, has been here for 3-4 months, and no one knows when it will go away completely. It spreads by matra sparsha. It is agama pai and anityam for sure. The number of affected people as parts per million ppm is less than 1 ppm, but the fear it has caused is 100%, because it has caused apayaha, causing deaths also. I had started this Gita Abhyasa 2-14 and plus 2-15 a week back, but thought it good to study in between verses number 52 and 53 in the other playlist of Learning Sanskrit by Verses, having the theme, those verses number 52 and 53 have the theme Kalakramena Jagatah Parivartamana Chakrara Pankti Gacchati Bhagya Pankti Kavi Bhasaha in Swapnavasa Dattam, and Kasyatyantam Sukhamupanatam Dukkhameka Va Kavi Kalidasa in Meghadutam, with a sage advice in number 27, Santah na santapyante. That same advice, Santaha na santapyante, in number 27, was as Dhiras Tatra na muyati in Shloka here 2-13, and as Pandita Nanu Shochanti in 2-11, and Ete and as Ete Matra Sparshaha Samadukha Sukham Dhiram Purusham Nahi Vyathayanti in 2-15. The pronoun Ete in 2-15 refers to Matra Sparshaha in 2-14. That was the logic in taking up these two shlokas together. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 @gmail.com. Shubhamastu.